invite Vincent, and then please introduce yourself. Who are you? And then in Macau, what are you doing? And then today, what you bring for us?
Thank you, Wilson. I'm working for Repertoire Culinaire, in charge of North Asia, and we are providing, fine food to chefs like Wilson, and we will have the pleasure to discover how to prepare nicely spring chicken, meaning about 500 grams.
Chicken. This we use the spring chicken from France, and also we have the butter. We have some thyme, and then this is a sesame sauce. The ingredients we will have the we call the demi glaze, and we have the meat glaze, shallot, parsley, and mushroom, and tomato sauce, and some salt. Okay, we will use the white wine also for the chicken. Okay.
Technically, I can already tell you that the way she was doing this one is sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you already, have very nice sensations.
The next video we will cook anything we want.
Definitely, Wilson. Repertoire Culinaire is full of treasures, and I'm sure that we are going to meet again very soon.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, merci.